Bell, open, close eyes, close eyes, close eyes, close eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Bravo, Isabel. We're gonna unbox something. So, which one are you gonna unbox first?
Yours.
So this one arrived yesterday, and these two arrived today, and I still have another one for Michael. But because Michael is not here, is not around, better we just unbox ourselves because Michael is gonna be
Angry.
Gonna be angry and he's gonna be
Jealous.
jealous. Michael's gonna be jealous because the things that Michael will arrive next week. So we're gonna unbox it with Michael.
And we'll come back from Kanyano.
Sure, when we come back from Kanya because we're leaving, guys. And today we're gonna unbox it for. Let's start yours first, anak.
Okay.
This is from. This we ordered from Bogyon.
Bugyon, no, me.
This is the first time I ordered in Bogyon, guys. And,
No, that's not. Okay,
let's see the quality of the product. Let's see, anak, show anak. Wow! Let me see. Wow! Ang kiyo, ang kiyo. Wow! That's really nice. Oh, it's very light, baby. It's really light. Wow! Michael, that's why we opened it without Michael. Michael is still in the school. And Asya kasi arrived early. No, this is Aspita Michael. I still believe you're gonna have yours. So this, guys, we order it in Bogyon because a combination of Vogue and fashion. So ang tinitinda po nila doon ay yung mga guys, mga trendy products or yung mga trendy clothes, mga ganon. So marami po silang mga categories, no, sa kitchen products, households, mga ganon, and mga sanina, mga damit, clothes, shoes, and accessories, and many more. Electronics, marami po talaga sila, guys. Lahat ng mga kailangan mo sa ano siya, online shopping siya. What can you say, anak?
It's so pretty and it's it's very light.
It's very light. Heavy. Wow, I ordered it 36 for you. Wow, it's nice, anak, that I ordered 36 because when I ordered something for Asya and Michael, I always ordered a bit more bigger. Yeah, because they can wear it more, anak, no?
Yes.
Warda. I ordered, she's 35 something, anak, but I ordered 36. It's better to order a bit bigger, yeah. It's nice. And now, it's really, guys, it's really good. Oh, wow, very pretty. For now. Maybe, but it will arrive soon. Let Isabel open it. This is for Isabel. Open, Isabel, open! 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 Okay, open. Bell, open. Close eyes, close eyes, close eyes, close eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Wow! Wow, nice shoes, Isay. Very nice. Let's get the socks, Isabel. Yes. Oh, wow, it's really nice, guys. This is very good for Isabel because Isabel used to fall down. It's what?
No.
Velo, no? Well, this you are big already, but no, but it's also good, anak, because it's very light. And Isabel, give me the socks. Isabel is in the floor, baby.
It's in the floor. We're gonna put the
really nice. Wow, looks really guys, really good quality. Oh, very good quality. Only one. I can wear only one. So I ordered for Isabel size 22.
And this is your shoes.
No, it is not shoes, anak, but I'm gonna show you. I think I can.
No.
Questo me. Isabel said this is mine. Let's wear. Let's try. Try yours, anak. If it can fit, anak, try yours, anak. Binig, show them also. Wow, so pretty. Other one, it's even without socks. The other one, it's okay. Isabel kasi because it's guys, it's getting hot na. So Isabel like to remove take off her socks.
Ba't ka gusto sa
Oh, it's really hard to wear it without.
puntini?
Should it?
Mamma sta praticamente
Should it?
della misura. Mamma sta della misura giusta.
What you gonna say to mama?
Mamma, ma io sono 30.
Thank you. Thank you, mama. Asya, shoot yours, anak. Show yours, anak. It's really good, measure, guys.
Guarda, non mi avanza, tocca, tocca.
Wow, it's really nice. Oh, nice, baby. Very nice, anak.
I'm gonna wear this tomorrow.
She's gonna wear it tomorrow. She's very excited. And now, I'm gonna open my things.
Your shoes.
My scalpy. Wow, you like it? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Grazie mille. And we can open my things here. This is gonna be useful for me. Let's open. Marami silang mga category, guys. And marami kang pwedeng pagpipilian. Kasi, wow! Woo! A sewing machine. Kushire, per kushire. I ordered this one because Asya and Michael always broke their uniform. Wow! We have also this, when you open it, there is
I open it.
Aspita Isabel. Oh, you have different colors of threads.
Pink, red,
And
orange,
everything. See, everything is here, guys. We have the little scissors, and we have also this,
What's this?
the needles, and everything. There is also a measurement, anak, the measure.
And this,
measuring,
what's this?
measuring tape. And that one, I don't know. We can check that later. And of course, let's open my. Wow, I'm gonna try this one really big. I'm gonna use it because so cute.
My doll.
Wow, yes, what a, wow. Asya is excited already that asking me already to do the clothes of her dolls. Yeah, it's really nice, guys. Wow, it's really cute. Huh? Dope, anak, no, you're gonna open later. So you can order these products in Bogyon app. You can just download the application, guys. Bogyon, ayan po siya. Ito po yung application na yan. And you can also, guys, kung wala kayong pera, you can use buy now and pay later with Scalapay. And also Klarna. Klarna, they do as well as buy now, pay later. So, ito naman ay, hindi ko alam kung merong option sa inyo na Scalapay or Klarna, basta. Pero, pwede kayong bumili ng products na gusto nyo and you can buy, or you can do it as, installment. Yan, ganon siya.
With this pants.
You can buy and pay later. So, which is really good talaga, guys. If you can, for example, if you have something to buy, and you feel like it's too much for you, so you can pay it by installment, no, babe? And yeah, wow. I'm so excited to try this one.
Okay, try with this.
Asya want to try already her
You have to put
toys. She has the toys.
Like-
Oh no! Ayan, she has the toys. So
I remove the power.
she likes to, punit-punit na. And we can create a lot of, you can
No,
create-
lascia il buco, questo qua è per sexy.
So, yun lang naman, guys. And next time, we're gonna unbox the one for Michael. Bogyon din.
Thank you, Bogyan.
Isabi si thank you, Bogyon. So, ayun lang naman, guys, no? And, i-click nyo lang yung link namin sa baba. And kung gusto nyo, guys, ito po yung mga codes na kukunin nyo para makakuha ko po kayo ng code. So, thank you so much. And hopefully, matry nyo din, guys. And as far as I see, it's really good quality, guys. And very good quality, no? Asya, yours is fit yours, anak, no? We can try Asya. No, don't do that. You're gonna break it. We can try this one. And Michael's shoes is it will arrive. Maybe because we are not at home. Maybe we'll arrive. But I told already to the delivery guy that he will just put inside the house. No, not inside, in the
garden.
in the garden. So I told him to live there because we might not be here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.